In this video, I will show you how to follow someone on Phantom Wallet. To get started, go ahead and open Phantom Wallet on your device. Make sure that you're signed in into your account and you have set up a username for your account. So you'll find your username at the top left corner of your screen. To be able to follow someone on Phantom Wallet, go ahead and use the search field by clicking on this search icon. And here, go ahead and enter the username of that specific user that you want to follow on Phantom Wallet. So for example, I want to follow How to Finance, so I'll search for that user. Click on that user, simply click on the follow button, and that is basically how you can follow people or users on Phantom Wallet. So this will actually reflect on their profile, and that will also reflect on your profile as well. So once I search for my username in this section, I'll be able to view my profile and view number of my followers with it. And that is basically how you can simply follow someone on Phantom Wallet.